Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to set an alarm on your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way I set my alarm is so simple. You just need to go into the clock. If you cannot find clock on your home screen, slide the screen into the left side until you are in a library application or app library, and after that just go click in the search button and type clock. When you find it, you just need to click it. Okay, now you just after you open the clock, there will be 4 options here, 4 sections. There will be a world clock, alarm, stopwatch, and timer. Since you want to create an alarm, you just need to make sure that you are in alarm sections. When you are in an alarm section, in this upper right corner there is a plus button, so you just need to click this plus button, and after that you just need to decide what time that you want to set this alarm for. For example, you want to wake up tomorrow at 7, so you just need to do 7:00. Okay, and after that you just need to go click a sound, decide what sound that you want to use for the alarm that you want to have. You can also choose either you want to do this for repetitions or not. And after you're done setting everything, you just need to go click save. And make sure that the alarm that you already set is in a green color. When it's in a green color, so that the alarm is active, so you will be wake up tomorrow at 7. So that's the way how to set or how to create an alarm on your iPhone. If you find out this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.